Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of mixology with the KINGROW 23-piece Boston Stainless Steel Bartender Kit, a comprehensive set designed to meet all your cocktail crafting needs. This professional-grade kit includes everything from 20 ounces and 24 ounces Boston shaker tins to a variety of essential tools like pourers, measuring cups, ice tongs, a muddler, straws, a corkscrew, and even 4 whiskey stones, all neatly organized on an acrylic stand. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this set is not only durable and rust-proof but also lightweight and easy to clean, ensuring it maintains its shine while adding a touch of modern elegance to your home bar. Whether you're a seasoned mixologist or a beginner, the included exclusive recipe guide makes it simple to impress your guests with expertly crafted cocktails at home or at parties. The acrylic stand keeps your tools organized and accessible, eliminating clutter and ensuring you never lose a piece, while the elegant design makes it a perfect gift for friends and family. With the KINGROW Bartender Kit, you're not just purchasing a set of tools, you're investing in a risk-free, satisfaction-guaranteed experience that elevates your drink mixing skills to a professional level. So, whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet evening at home, this kit is your ticket to creating unforgettable cocktails with ease and style. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.